if you're using Perplexity AI, by default, it's using your searches and conversations to train its AI models. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn that off in less than a minute. First, make sure you're logged in. Then look at the bottom left of the screen. You'll see your account name or profile icon here. Go ahead and click on that. A small menu pops up. From here, click on All Settings. Alright, you're now inside Settings. You'll land on Account section. Click on Preferences under it. Now scroll down a little until you see a setting called AI Data Retention. This is the one we want. You'll notice it's turned on by default. That means Perplexity has been using your searches to improve its AI. Just click that toggle to turn it off. Once it goes gray, you're done. From this point on, Perplexity will no longer use your searches and conversations to train its AI models. One thing to keep in mind, this only stops future data from being used. Anything Perplexity already collected before you turn this off, that stays. But going forward, you're protected, and that's it. One toggle, done. If you found this helpful, drop a like and I'll see you in the next one.